Welcome. If you're finding those Audible notifications from Snapchat a bit too distracting and want to silence them on your Android device, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk through a simple and updated method to disable those sounds, letting you enjoy notifications without the noise. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone's settings. This is where you manage all the essential controls for your apps and notifications. Once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Next, scroll through the apps until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open its settings. Here, you'll see various options specifically for this app. Look for notifications and tap on it to manage how Snapchat alerts you. Within notifications, you'll notice a notification categories option. Go ahead and select it. This part divides the different types of notifications Snapchat sends out, so you can control them one by one. Under the category named General, you'll find the setting for Audible notifications. All you need to do now is toggle off Audible notifications in this section. This means Snapchat will still notify you, but without any sounds playing. You can still get those little vibrations or visual alerts, depending on your overall phone settings, but you won't hear the notification tone anymore. That's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can keep all the benefits of Snapchat notifications while eliminating the Audible distractions. It's great for when you want to stay in the loop, but need a quieter environment. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to turn the sounds back on later. It's a quick toggle. No complicated steps involved. Thanks for watching.